Now we're going to turn to Ford's big announcement today about the huge amount of money the automaker's EV business has lost.
Ford says it lost $3 billion before taxes over the past 2 years.
The automotive world is undergoing a profound transformation, and electric vehicles, EVs, are at the forefront of this revolution. It's a change driven by consumer demand for greener and more sustainable transportation options, as well as the need to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Let's dig right into it, shall we? In recent news, Jim Farley, the CEO of Ford, revealed something shocking, admitting that the company is grappling with severe issues. This revelation sent shockwaves across the automotive sector, leaving investors and stakeholders concerned about Ford's future. The global transition towards electric vehicles is one of the central causes of Ford's current woes. Consumers worldwide are seeking cleaner and more sustainable ways to get from point A to point B, and automakers have been under pressure to meet these demands. Environmental concerns, government regulations, and the allure of cutting-edge technology drive this demand for EVs. Naturally, this shift towards electric vehicles presents both an opportunity and a challenge for traditional automakers. Ford, like many legacy automakers, has embarked on the electrification journey. They've introduced a few electric vehicles into their lineup, aiming to compete in this new era of transportation. However, despite their efforts, they have struggled to keep pace with EV competitors, particularly giants like Tesla and General Motors. This lag places Ford in a vulnerable position, with the risk of losing market share and relevance in a fast-changing industry. As of now, the electric vehicle market is growing at a rapid pace, and profitability remains a significant challenge for most traditional automakers. Despite increasing production and manufacturing scale, it appears that Tesla is the only company expected to generate substantial profits from electric vehicles in the near future. This is particularly true for mass-market models, which typically have lower profit margins compared to luxury vehicles. One of the critical issues Ford is facing is a projected $3 billion loss on electric vehicles in 2023, as disclosed by CEO Jim Farley. This is a substantial blow to Ford's financial health, especially considering that the anticipated loss is equivalent to the combined losses Ford incurred over the last 2 years. Despite these losses, Ford expects to start making money from its EV operations soon. Ford has been making investments in electric vehicles, developing models like the Mustang Mach-E and the F-150 Lightning EV pickup. These models have been designed to compete in the rapidly growing EV market. However, the transition to electric vehicles comes with significant upfront costs. Ford Model e is still in its early stages, and like any EV startup, it involves investing in capability, developing knowledge, building volume, and gaining market share. These are essential but costly steps in the journey towards profitable electric vehicle production. Ford's ambitious goals for its EV business are commendable. Still, it's important to note that they are a far cry from Tesla's industry-leading profit margins. In the fourth quarter of 2022, Tesla reported a remarkable 22% profit margin, putting it head and shoulders above other automakers struggling to turn a profit in the EV segment. This difference highlights the substantial challenges that traditional automakers face as they shift to an EV-focused business model. Ford's success in this arena will depend heavily on its ability to narrow the gap with Tesla's profitability. In a recent investor conference call, Ford's chief financial officer John Lawler expressed confidence in the company's ability to hit its EV profit goals, thanks to a team of talented Tesla alumni that Ford has hired. Lawler believes that Ford has a whole new approach to designing energy-efficient vehicles thanks to these experienced hires. Ford's restructuring efforts have also caught the attention of Wall Street. Analysts are cautiously optimistic about the changes, with Deutsche Bank estimating that Ford's traditional business, Ford Blue, could show an impressive EBIT margin of 7.3% for 2022. This figure is expected to more than offset the losses incurred by the company's EV operations in the previous year. But the key question remains, how long can Ford sustain this effort? And what is the future of Ford in the electric vehicle era? Ford is making significant strides in EV production, with plans to increase the global production rate of EVs to 2 million units annually by the end of 2026. However, as the saying goes, the devil is in the details. Ford has encountered challenges in scaling up production, and some of these hurdles reveal the complexities of the EV manufacturing landscape. For instance, during an earnings call, CEO Jim Farley revealed that the company faced unexpected challenges with the Mustang Mach-E and the F-150 Lightning EV pickup, causing production costs to skyrocket. In the case of the Mach-E, the wiring harness turned out to be 1.6 kilometers longer than necessary, adding unnecessary weight and costing an extra $300 per battery. Furthermore, Ford had underinvested in braking technology to save on the size of the battery, which caused further complications. All of these cost problems resulted in Ford leaving a staggering $2 billion of profit on the table in 2022. While it's encouraging to see Ford making ambitious moves in the electric vehicle market, these challenges underscore the complexities of manufacturing EVs at scale. Ford has taken a bold step in revamping its reporting structure to provide a more transparent view of its transition to electric vehicles. The company has established 5 new business units, each with a specific focus on growth and innovation. These units include Ford Blue, Model E, Ford Pro, Ford Next, and Ford Credit. Ford Blue is dedicated to the company's traditional combustion engines, ensuring that Ford continues to serve customers who prefer internal combustion engine vehicles. Model E is focused on electric vehicles and plays a pivotal role in Ford's electrification journey. Ford Pro caters to commercial and government fleets, recognizing the unique demands and opportunities in this segment. Ford Next concentrates on developing cutting-edge technologies and exploring non-automotive mobility solutions, positioning Ford as a forward-thinking innovator in the transportation space. The creation of a financial services subsidiary, Ford Credit, showcases Ford's commitment to providing customers with a range of financial options to facilitate their EV purchases. This new reporting structure is a strategic move that reflects Ford's determination to lead in the transition to electric vehicles. It not only provides a clearer picture of the company's performance but also showcases Ford's commitment to growth, innovation, and adapting to the changing automotive landscape. Ford faces several critical challenges as it goes on its journey into electric vehicles, EVs. Narrowing the profitability gap with industry leader Tesla is paramount. To succeed, Ford must achieve attractive profit margins in its EV operations, which remains a challenging task given the mass-market nature of their vehicles compared to luxury brands. Navigating the supply chain complexities that have recently plagued the automotive industry is another hurdle. Securing a stable supply chain is vital to meet customer demand and maintain consistent production, especially given the scarcity of semiconductor chips, a vital component in modern vehicles. In a crowded market, competing with established automakers like GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen, alongside innovative newcomers like Tesla, Ford must stay ahead in terms of technology and innovation and align with evolving consumer preferences. Re-establishing consumer trust is key for Ford. Open communication, sustainability focus, and delivering high-quality EVs are essential steps to regain consumer confidence. The automotive industry is in the midst of a profound transformation, and Ford's bold moves and restructuring efforts demonstrate the company's commitment to securing a place in the future of transportation. The challenges are significant, but the determination to adapt, innovate, and make strategic decisions can pave the way for a brighter future. Ford's journey into electric vehicles is still unfolding, and the world is watching to see how this legacy automaker will write its next chapter. And that is it for the video, folks. Do you think Ford can overcome this massive dilemma hanging over their heads? Let us know down in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.